Hello everyone, thanks for clicking on my video. I wanted to share with you a new Ricoh GR III film simulation that I created. It's based on Kodak Ektachrome, and I'm going to call it Luke's Ektachrome 1600. This is one of the first times I've experimented manually setting an ISO value, which from the name you may be able to guess is 1600. I really like the way that it turned out, and I wanted to share it with you so you can try it if you want it. It's free. The directions are on my website. There's a link in the description. Also, if you don't know how to input one of these into your Ricoh GR III, there's a video for that as well. So thanks for stopping by. I hope you have a great day. Enjoy the recipe.